Hi everyone, so in this video I will talk about the process of how to upload and create blog posts within the Fiji template. So essentially we are within the blog page over here, and we'll need to head on over to the back end of our website, go over to posts, and over here on the following page you'll see every single blog post that we've created so far. So to create a new post, simply click on add new, and you'll then need to add your blog post title. I'll then go ahead and add some random dummy text for us to use. So I'll switch over to text mode. Next off, we'll need to upload some images, so we'll click on add media to upload images from my computer. And you can either click on upload files and then select files from your computer, or you can simply open up a folder within your computer and just drag and drop them into the following upload area. We will then need to make sure that the images are listed to full size, as sometimes the system resets them to either thumbnail or medium sizes, so be sure that they are listed to full size. And also make sure that there are no alignments set to the following image. Unless it is required for you to right or left align an image, you can go ahead and select that, but other than that, select none and that'll be okay. We'll then need to click on insert into post, and our images will be added to our blog post. If we switch over to visual mode, this is what it looks like. We have our text content, and then we have all of these images listed here below. Within text mode, sometimes it's just a little bit easier to manage your content and text and so forth. So next off, what we want to do is go ahead and add our categories. So you can select multiple categories. You can add a new category if that would be required by simply typing it in here. Click on add new category and it will be added. Down below, we have a field for our tags that can be added. We then have the option of adding a small decoration image, and a decoration image is just a small image like that that will appear above our blog post title. So we'll go ahead and click on upload, and I'll use the same image as we did previously. I'll select this airplane, click on insert into post. It will be added here. It's not visible because it's a white image on transparent background, however it is there. And then you'll also need to select a featured image or a blog post preview image. And once again, I'll select an image from our media library. Click on set featured image, and this will be added here. So at this point, let's go ahead and click on publish. And we'll go over to our main blog page. Go over to the top, we'll refresh the following page, and you'll see that we have our blog post created. So we have our title, blog post title, we have the following decoration image, and then we have when and which category the following post was published in. So once we click here to go into the following blog post, we still have this featured image and all of this other information. On top of that, we then have our text and additional images that we've uploaded to our blog post content as such. So these are the basic steps of how to create and add content within your blog post. There are several other options that you need to know about. For example, creating a full screen or adding a full screen image. In this case, what you want to do is whenever you hit add media, over here, whenever you're selecting an image, or if, for example, if you're uploading an image from your computer, right over here where it says full image, click on full width, and then click on insert into post, and it will be added. If we just simply click on update, and I will go back here once again, refresh the following page. Okay, you'll see that we have the following image full width, and it's from corner to corner of our browser from side to side. So you'll see that here, and then the images below are as normal, just at the width we've set for our blog post content. So these are the options for your images. Next off, there's also an option of adding a small text divider or blog post dividers, however you want to call them. And essentially, if we are in visual mode, simply click on one of these icons over here, and we have HR1. We'll have this little breakpoint, so that can be added. If you then want to add an additional breakpoint, you can always do so. For example, if you want to add just text at the bottom, simply add another breakpoint, and then add text just like that. We'll then go ahead and click on update. Go back to our blog post to refresh the following page, and you'll see that we have this little line with text below, and then scrolling further down, once our image content has ended, we have the next breakpoint with an additional piece of text. Alright, next off, we also have some color options to play around with, and the following color options are essentially related to our background for our blog post, but the background is only for the blog post preview. So if we go over to our main blog page, and this over here, you'll see that we have this following background. Essentially it's white, so you can set I'll just set a light gray type of background. There we go. And then for our text color, depending on the type of image you upload over here, you can adjust the following text. So for example, we select the following text as, so let's just go ahead and select red so it's actually visible. And we'll go back here, click on update. We'll refresh the following page. You'll see that we have a grayish background related to the following post, and then we also have the following text in red. Once you click into this, you'll see that our blog post title is in red again. And we also have the option here of adding color to our meta information, and the meta information is essentially the date and the category in which the following blog post was published in. So let's go once again back to our blog post. We'll refresh the following page, and you'll see that the following has changed as well. So these are, this is the entire set of options you have to work with when creating blog posts. Of course, you can incorporate various short codes and other options, but we do have separate videos for that as well. So yeah, this is the process of how to add content to your blog posts.